Access online gardening classes with your library card. Offered through Canopy, the Great Courses provide self-paced video classes taught by world-class professors. Gardening classes include how to grow anything, trees and shrubs, how to grow anything, your best garden and landscape, the science of gardening, and plant science, an introduction to botany. To access the Great Courses, visit our website at jesspublib.org/learning. Scroll down until you see the Great Courses. To get started, sign up to Canopy with your library card and pen. Once you're logged in, you can find gardening courses by searching for a general term like gardening, or by searching for a specific class name. I'm going to search for how to grow anything, your best garden and landscape. So you can see that this course has 6 episodes, including plan the garden of your dreams, get the right plant for the right place, prepare healthy soil and plant for spring, and more. You can skip around and watch only the videos you're interested in, or you can watch them all. The Great Courses videos don't count against your usual Canopy limit of 10 play credits, and you can see that limit right up here in the top corner. And once you find a video you want to watch, just press play to get started. Universal Class offers over 500 self-paced online courses. Unlike with the Great Courses, on Universal Class, you have the option to interact with the course instructor and earn CEUs, or continuing education credits. Gardening classes available on Universal Class include Introduction to Gardening, Vegetable Gardening 101, Tropical Gardening 101, and Landscaping 101. Access Universal Class just as you would the Great Courses by visiting our website at jesspublib.org/learning. Scroll down until you see Universal Class. If you've never used Universal Class before, click Register Now and enter your library card number. You'll need to create an account to get started. Once you're logged in, search for gardening in the course catalog. And let's take a look at Introduction to Gardening. At the top of the page, you'll get a quick overview of the course, including the number of lessons, the number of exams and assignments, and the amount of CEUs you can earn. Many courses in Universal Class can be taken in video-only mode. If the course is available in video-only mode, you'll see a camera icon here. Scroll down to find out more about the course, including a course description, an outline of course lessons, some learning outcomes, and even some student testimonials. To sign up, choose Join this course. Choose video-only mode or join certificate class if you want to earn CEUs. I'm going to click on video-only mode. And you can see here that it explains the difference between video-only mode and normal mode. So in video-only mode, you will have access to all the lesson videos, but that's really it. You're not going to have any assignments or exams or instructional support, and you won't be able to earn CEUs. But if you take it in normal mode, you'll be able to earn a CEU certificate, but the lessons must be completed in order. You'll have to complete assignments and exams, and you will have access to an instructor. Since I'm just taking this for fun, I'm still going to stick with video-only mode. And you'll just click Enter Course to get started.